Hi class, here we are, and we are on lesson 144. That's Monday and May 4th, and we're going to do our phonics test together. So find your phonics test, get a pencil, write your NAME at the TOP of the PAPER, and I want you to get ready because we're going to write some words together. Make sure you skip lines. Make sure you do your very neatest writing. Look who's over here, right-hand man. He says, write neatly. I need you to write neatly. I wish you were here at school because he could be on your desk and you could fill him up with your pencils and your erasers and all that good stuff. Okay, number 1. Are you ready? Here we go. I want you to write the words that I say. It says write the words your teacher says. Then you're going to circle the adjectives. Every line is going to have 2 words on it. One word is going to have a circle. Remember, an adjective answers 2 questions. What are they? What kind and how many? Okay, are you ready? First one, write the words tall James. James is a person's name. So think about what you need to start that word with. James. Tall James. Tall James. If I go too fast, hit the pause button and then you can start up again. On the 6, skip a line down to number 2. Are you ready? Taller Dan. Taller Dan. First one was tall James. Taller Dan. This is a person's name again. And the last one, somebody in the room better get this one right. Tallest Ben. Tallest Ben. We all know how to spell Ben's name. And Ben, you better know how to spell your name. Okay. So do you have all 3 of those? Go back with me at the top. Tall James. Taller Dan, tallest Ben. Now, go back up to tall James. Circle the word that is the adjective that answers the question, what kind or how many. Go down to the next line. Circle the adjective that tells me what kind or how many. Taller Dan. And on the last one, circle the word that tells me what kind or how many for tallest Ben. Sorry, Ben. I was looking wrong one. Okay. So you have those all done? 2 words, 2 words, 2 words. Neat, neat, neat writing. And you circled the adjective. So you should have 3 circles, 1 for each row. Do you have that? Okay. Down to number 2. Isn't this easy? Write the adjectives that your teacher says. Now, these are worth a lot of points. So I want you to think carefully. Mom can't give you the answers. Don't look at her. She can't whisper them. She can't write them. This is all your work. Mrs. Croft will know. God will know even better. Are you ready? I want you to write the word happy. Happy. I was happy when they said to me, come to the house of the Lord. Yeah, that's a verse in the Bible. Happy. 5 letters. Do you have 5 letters? Short vowel. Happy. 2 syllables. Happy. Now stop and think on this next one. Okay, something has to change. We've been doing this and doing this and doing this. I think you know what to do. Okay, are you ready? I want you to write on number 2 spot, I want you to write the word happier. Happier. Mom was much happier after Dad did the dishes. Happier. Happier. Something has to change. Okay, happier. Put that suffix on the end. And the last one, happiest. Happiest. The kids were the happiest that they've ever been when Grandma came. Happiest. 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 Now stop and think. Happy, happier, happiest. Do you have those done? Okay, great. If you don't, hit the pause button or replay it and do it again. Okay, neat writing. Down to number 3. Right here's number 3. Number 3 says add the suffixes to the root words. Some of these need to change, so stop and think. Use our rules that we've been using. I can't tell them to you. You have to think back to everything we know. So I want you to write the word smaller, smallest, greedier, greediest, funnier, funniest. Okay, so write those words. Okay, nobody can help you spell them. This is all your work. This isn't Mom's test. It's not Pa's test or Grandpa's test or Grandma's test or Nana's test. This is your test. So think carefully. I know you can do it. Number 4, circle the correct adjective in each sentence. An adjective answers what kind or how many. Uncle Bob's boat is big, bigger, biggest than Uncle Matt's boat. Okay? Uncle Bob's boat is big, bigger, biggest than Uncle Matt's boat. Remember our special rule when we're comparing 2 things or we're comparing 3 or more things. Think about that rule. That tadpole is the largest one of all the tadpoles in the tank. That tadpole is the largest one of all the tadpoles in the tank. And the last one. Susan has a newest pair of shoes. Susan has a newest pair of shoes. Think carefully. Read back and see if that makes sense. Read each one of these sentences again with your choice in it. Mrs. Kraft can't read the choice. It's your choice. I will call you on Monday. Ooh, my nose is itchy. Somebody's talking about me. Okay, find your row. Practice your row because I'll call you and we'll get our special sound, our oral drill grade. Okay? Isn't that easy? This does not take that long. Do your best job. Don't let mom do her best job or whoever's helping you. This is your best job because I know you can do it. Okay. See you later, boys and girls. Bye.